To fix Windows 11 stuck in automatic repair loop, click on Advanced option, then you'll be on this screen. Here you need to select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced options. First, click on Uninstall Update and uninstall the latest quality update. First, try to uninstall the latest quality update. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and uninstall the feature update. Even after trying uninstalling Windows Update, if it's still not working, then come back to this advanced options screen, select command prompt. Here you need to type following commands showing you on your screen. First type boottrack fix mbr command, then type boottrack fix boot. After running that command, you need to type boottrack scan os, then type boottrack rebuild bcd. If fix boot shows access is denied, then type bootsect nt60 sys mbr command. It's showing you on your screen right now, and then you need to rerun the boottrack fix boot command. After running all these commands, simply close the command prompt, then click on continue to start your Windows 11. Hopefully this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.